Welcome, friends. I wanted to take a moment to welcome you to Philosophy of Education. This class we're going to focus on what you believe about teaching and learning and working with a variety of students. So I'm really excited to have you here. I just wanted to take a few minutes to talk about some ground rules that'll help you hit the target in this class. First of all, attendance is critical. I'm not much of a lecturer. It'll be mostly hands-on kind of activities. And in order for me to be assured that you've learned the information, I need you to be in class for the 8 sessions. We'll really have 7 in class because of Thanksgiving, but 8 sessions in class. I want you to know too that there are no late assignments accepted in this class. The assignments are due every Thursday by 4:30 p.m. The assignments are meant to help you be able to know the material when you get to the class and work with that material in the activities that I've created. If you haven't done the work at home, then you're not going to be able to participate in class. If an assignment is late, after Thursday at 4:30, then you won't receive credit for that work. Make sure that you only use Mozilla Firefox or Google Chrome as you create projects in this class. Safari or Internet Explorer have difficulty with some web-based projects we'll be doing, so you don't want to use those. Also, remember when you turn in an assignment that it's your responsibility to make sure that I can see it. So the way you can ensure that I can see your work is by making sure that you do not use the program Pages if you have a Macintosh. You can turn things into a PDF. That's absolutely fine, but you just can't use Pages. And then also, after you turn something in, click on Submission Details in Canvas, and then you'll be able to see what I see. There are step-by-step instructions for every assignment we're going to do, and if you follow those, you really shouldn't have any trouble completing the work. One last thing. I want you to know you're not in this alone. The activities we're going to do and the assignments we're going to do are somewhat creative, and you may need some advice from time to time, and I'm happy to have you call my cell phone if you need some help. My cell phone number is on the front page of Canvas, and you're welcome to use it. But please contact me at these times if you need to speak with me through cell phone or text me at these times. Any Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday night between 6 o'clock and 8 o'clock is fine. And Sunday afternoon is fine between 3 o'clock and 6 p.m. And yes, I'll even pause football to talk to you or to answer your text. So I hope you're prepared to have a great time together. That's my plan. We'll get to know each other very well and hopefully have a wonderful quad. Thank you so much.